Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to convert your TikTok PayLater to GCash. Alright, let's begin. First, open your TikTok app and navigate to your account. Tap on the three lines in the top corner to access the menu. From there, go to Balance. Here, you will see your coins, rewards, and your TikTok PayLater balance if you have it. To withdraw funds, you can either click on the arrow next to your TikTok PayLater balance or directly access the PayLater option. For example, if you click on Live Rewards, you will see an option to exchange or withdraw. However, if you have a zero balance, you won't be able to click it. To convert your TikTok PayLater to GCash, find the exchange option and click on it. This will allow you to transfer your funds to GCash or any other method available. So that's basically how you can convert your TikTok PayLater to GCash. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.